Welcome, today in front of me UleFone Note 13B, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first, let's open the phone application, and after that let's tap on the right upper corner on these three dots. Then you'll see here the settings section, and after that you should tap here to block numbers. Now we can see here there's two numbers in our blacklist, and just to remove one from these numbers here we should click on this X icon, and after that we should click here to unblock, and that's it. Now here we can see the message that this number unblocked successfully. By the same way, you can remove all of the numbers here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.